Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia, and my YouTube channel is Cecelia O World. And on this YouTube channel I discuss about healthy meal, how to make healthy meal, how to make healthy drinks, how to look young, how to detoxify our system, how to lose body weight, how to lose belly fat, how to look good, how to glow from inside out. And also I talk about home decoration, how to do cheap home design, quality home design with a glam, why doing that on budget. So today, what I will be doing today, I'm not talking about healthy meal today. I'm talking about home decor design today. And what I'm doing is I have a couple of flower vase which I'll be making over. What I mean by that is I'll be turning them completely, giving them a glam look. And what I will be using today to make this happen, I got some of it from Dollar Store and I got some from Aliexpress, and I'm going to tell you detail about that. So to be able to make this beautiful glam looking flower vase, I got this ribbon from Dollar Store. They are a dollar each. I got these two metallic and silver spray from Walmart, and I have a couple of glue that I'll be using. I'll be using the gun glue. I'll be using E6000, and I have some petals, some flowers that I'll be adding. And I actually got this also from Dollar Store. I'll see if I can make use of this. And here are the beautiful flowers that I'll be putting in my flower vase. I got this on AliExpress, and it's very cheap, like $4 each. It's like 25 pieces in each. And that is all I'll be doing today. Let's dive in. Remember, you can actually add glam to your house. You can do a decor glam, add glam to your decor without breaking the bank, working on budget. And this is all what my YouTube channel is all about. How to decor, how to do home decor on budget, how to get that beautiful design with a glam. All right, stay tuned. Let's dive in. Thank you. So here is the painted flower vases, silver, and I allow this to air dry. I spray this transparent flower vase. Forget that I spray this flower vases silver and gold, and this is just a step closer to the final look. Let's dive in. Progress. Keep in mind I'm still making the flower vase, and here's the progress. It was like this before, and now I'm adding this, and I'll go ahead to add this petals. So here is the final look of what I did. I actually transformed this glass. The flower vase is this. So what I did was I sprayed that into two different colors, silver and gold, and I used this spray. This is the silver, got it from Walmart, and this is the gold. I use it to spray these flower vase. The flower vase is like that, and I sprayed it gold and silver, and I added some beautiful design to it. I used this band and this band, which I got from Dollar Store, and I also had some petals to it. I got this also from Dollar Store, and I just designed the vase. Keep in mind the vase was this color, and I sprayed it gold and silver. And the next thing I'll go ahead to do now is to put my flower to complete this flower vase. And here is it. You can actually have glam without breaking the bank. I got the flower vase from Dollar Store, $1. The band I used, I got them $1. I got the spray from Walmart, and here is it. Let me know what you think. Which one is your preference? Is it a silver or is it the gold? That is your preference. This is the gold, the silver. Is it this design, the silver, or the gold design? That is your preference. Just let me know what you think. Thank you so much for staying tuned. This is Cecelia on my YouTube channel, Cecelia O World. I do a lot of interior decoration design on budget, and this is one of the things I made.